Hi, I'm Javier Wong from XIPAA and I'm going to talk about light reflection. This experiment is called the reflection of light from a plane mirror. Let's start by constructing the improvised material. Take a drawing board and place it on a flat surface. Then take two sheets of A4 paper, align them together, and take a scotch tape to lock it in place. Next up, take two cubes of clay and place it on a paper. With this, stick both ends of the comb to the two cubes of clay. Take a ruler and measure up to 20 centimeters, and on the other end, place a plane mirror. Lastly, place the last cube of clay in front of the comb and place a flashlight on top of it. This is the final result, so let's discuss the parts and function of each and one of them. We have the drawing board that acts as a holding space for the experiment. We have the sheets of A4 paper that gives off a clear background to minimize the reflection of the drawing board's wallpaper. Meanwhile, the clays are used to hold the comb and the flashlight in place. The flashlight acts as a source of light, while the comb acts to disperse the light coming from the flashlight. On the other end, the mirror serves as a reflector. After all of that, let's start the experiment. So we're going to close the light in our room and we're going to open the flashlight. As you can see here, the light from the flashlight is dispersed into various rays of light with the help of the comb. These rays of light are going straight towards the mirror, and you can see those same rays of light extending in the mirror. This alone already proves our theory that light is indeed traveling in a straight line. Now what will happen if we're going to move this mirror sideways on an angle? Let's see. From here, you can see that these rays of light from the flashlight to the mirror is still the same, which is on a straight path, but different lies on the path after the mirror. These rays of light that used to extend in the mirror is now following the mirror's displacement, forming an intersection with the original straight rays of light. The original straight rays of light coming from the flashlight is now called your incident rays, while the rays formed with the mirror is called your reflected rays. With this, it also proves the theory that light can be bounced or reflected on a certain object. But what are objects besides mirror that can reflect light? Well, as long as it has a smooth or shiny surface, light can bounce off of it. There are many examples such as water or even ceramics. With this proven, there are many types of applications of it in real life. One I can think of is how soldiers bring mirrors to war. In order to take advantage of light reflection, they'll use mirrors so that they'll be able to see something on the other side. Without poking their heads out, they'll be able to use the element of surprise to their opponents. Besides that, light reflection is also useful for cars because rearview mirrors take advantage of this so that the drivers will be able to see the cars behind them. Hence, they'll be able to maintain a safe distance from each other. That's all from me, and those are the uses of light reflection.